Hey Scratchers, are you ready for AI challenge time? Welcome back to Kodex Academy. Can a computer tell the difference between a banana, a bicycle, and a tiger? Yes, thanks to ImageNet and machine learning, it absolutely can. In this fun tutorial, we will explore how AI recognizes images and learn from millions of pictures and make smart predictions just like magic. So, are you ready to unlock the power of AI vision? So let's jump in Scratch with machine learning. So first, you can see I have opened my web browser Google and here I will type machine learning for kids. Yes, and now I will click over here. And you can see the first option will open it in new tab. Okay. And you can see this kind of screen when you will open machine learning for kids. Here the first option, you will collect the examples of the things you want to be able to recognize and then use this example to train your computer to be able to recognize them. And then use the ability of computer to make amazing games and animation in Scratch. So here we are going to click on Get Started. Here if you have already account, you can log in, or if you are not registered till now, you can click on sign up, or if you don't want to create your account and you just want to try without registering, so you can click here try without registering. Okay, I click on try without registering and you can see this kind of screen will open in front of you. Click plus button on the right to create your first project. If you want to save your project, so definitely you need to create your account. And if you just want to do practice and you don't want to save your project, so you can click on try without account. Okay, so I'll just click on add a new project. Here I want to recognize the images. I will write over here image recognition. Okay, this one, there are multiple type of project you can create. I want for recognizing images, so I will click over here and here I'll put the storage in my web browser. Now just click on create. Now you can see our project is created, that is recognizing images. If you have seen our previous video where we train our computer to recognize images whatever we put, but here we are not going to train our computer. Here we are using one extension, that is ImageNet. And how we can find out whenever we show any image in front of the AI and it easily recognizes, how it would be possible? It is possible with the help of ImageNet. So today with the help of this extension we will get to know how AI able to recognize millions of images easily. Okay, so we'll click over here. Yes, here there are three options: train, learn and test and make. Because here we are going to use the extension, we are not going to train or learn and test. Directly we are going to make. Okay, now we'll click on Scratch 3. When we click on the make, directly it gives the option to move on Scratch 3. So we'll click on Scratch 3 and here it's give you the information your project is not ready to be used in Scratch yet. You can use Scratch itself if you want, or you can go to learn and test page for some tips on what to do next, because we have not trained, we have not test yet, and directly we'll go to make. So this Scratch is connect with the machine learning, that's why it's give the information to us. It's not directly ready to move on Scratch because we have not trained our model. But here we no need to train our model, we are going to learn about how to use the ImageNet extension. So we'll click on Scratch by itself. Here is our Scratch 3 with the multiple block palettes which you have already seen. One block palette extra is added here, images, because if you remember we have chosen our project type is recognition of images. That's why by default this block palette, come over here. Okay, you can see it has these many blocks: costume images, backdrop images, save screenshot to costume. If you want to take any screenshot and you want to store as a costume, you can do it. Or webcam images, means in front of your webcam you want to show any product or any image, you want the AI should recognize it, so you can do the same. Now I will going to add extension button, and here I will add one extension. That name is ImageNet. You can see this cat one. It's mentioned over here, predict the object shown in an image. With the help of this extension, AI in Scratch able to recognize the images which we allow him to recognize, which we want that AI should recognize. So we'll click on this extension, and you can see it has very less number of command blocks. One is recognize images. Here you can see the option image. Here which kind of image you want, costume, backdrop, screenshot or webcam image. You can take the block from this image and here you can place it. Now next one is machine learning model ready to use? It is showing true, means the machine learning model is ready to use, right? And the backgrounds, there are multiple backgrounds available. Anyone you can select it, and on the basis of that you can see the result. So here what I am going to do, I will first upload some images. I'll just delete this cat and I will upload some animal images over here. Okay, you can see as I delete the cat, here is the costume image and the screenshot. Both options are not showing because they are related to the sprite. Now I am going to upload some sprite. So here you can see there are some animals images available. So I am going to upload some. First I will take this one. Okay, here is one image I have. Now one more I will take, like I will take this one. Okay, first let's check these two images. To check how this AI can identify these images, we'll go to event block and take when green flag click. Okay, and now I'll go to the ImageNet and we'll take recognize image block. Now here we'll take costume image because we are going to identify the costume, and we'll go to look block and take save block and put this block over here. Now I just click on the green flag and see the result. It's showing lion. We are not trained our AI to recognize it, but itself it recognizes. How? Because from all over the world, by getting different kind of data, itself it learn and able to recognize multiple images available all over the world. That's why here with the help of this extension ImageNet, it easily recognize whatever the random image will put over here. Okay. Now the same block will place in the second image. Now we'll check the block is here or not. And now again I am going to click on green flag. Okay, you can see how easily AI can recognize the image with the help of ImageNet extension, right? Do you want to see more images? So for that, what I'm going to do, I will not going to upload the sprites. Now I will take some sprites from the Scratch itself. Okay, so here, okay, I will take this balloon and I will use these blocks and put in the balloon. Let's check the blocks are here or not. It's here. And now I just click on the green flag again. Okay, it able to recognize the sprites which available in Scratch as well, right? So I hope you understand how with the help of ImageNet can easily recognize the images present in all over the world. So this is the way how the machine learning work. It work on the basis of the data and ready to give the predictions. I hope you like and understand this video. Try this and tell me if it is work for you. I am waiting for your comments. We are also providing online classes on Scratch and robotics. You can visit our website and contact us. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share with your family and friends. With this note, we conclude the session. We'll see you in next session. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.